Alright guys, we have in our kits these 4 tie wraps, and I am really worried about these wires breaking off of the motors. So if you look carefully, the motor is held in by these clear plastic straps on both sides. So this is going to be a little tricky. So watch what we're going to do. We're going to take the tie wrap and we're going to go over the top of the black wire here, and then we're going to, oh now wait, double check, see the little bump, and also the tie wrap has this bend in it, so have that little bend going down towards the motor. So we're going to go over the top of the wire, under the clear plastic, and then over the top of the red wire. Okay, let's see. You can see that now. Over the black wire, under the clear plastic, over the red. Then, going to push it up like so. So the bump, that's the locking mechanism. Then I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to hold these wires. And then I'm going to go around. I'm going to push it through this other clear section right here. And then I'm going to pull it through. And then I'm going to slip it into the little block here at the end. Maybe I'm going to. Maybe, oh, there it goes. Then I am going to pull it tight. And let's see which is the best. Oh, I see. I think I see what's the best way. Yeah. So we're going to push the little block up here against the clear, near to the clear plastic on the side opposite the motors. And you can hear it going click, 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 click. And there. So now the 2 wires are being held in place. And you got to be really careful. See, I'm going to catch my thumbnail on here. And I'm going to pull on it some more. Pull here and use my other thumb to hold a little block in place so it's quite tight. So now these wires are protected and they won't break off where they're connected. It's called soldering. Now if we were doing this in the classroom, we don't have to worry so much because we can just solder them back on. Alright, then I'm just going to get me a pair of scissors. And I'm going to cut off the extra bit. Maybe. It's hard when I'm trying to keep it on the screen at the same time. And there you go. Alright, now, next thing is we need to get these metal blocks mounted on. And I looked ahead at further assemblies. So we want to have this aluminum block. It's all symmetric, so it doesn't matter which way it faces. But we need it to be on the same side of the motor as where the wires connect. So we put it, it's going to go on this side like that. Okay, so the first thing we do is we turn it over to the other side, and we drop in our 2 screws, 2 longer ones that are in the kit for this assembly. Drop those in, then we hold it with our fingers. Turn it back over. We drop on our metal plate. It doesn't matter which way, just as long as we get both of those screws through it. Whoops. And these are little things, although I have really big hands. So maybe it'll be easier for you guys. And then we have to get these nuts threaded on. Now, of course, I did this recording one. Oh, there it goes. once before, and it went really smoothly, and then I realized that I put the block on the wrong side. And there we go. Come on. Oh, keeps dropping down. Alright. So it was easy the first time. Now, there it goes. So it'll take a little doing, and then I flick it with my finger to get them snug. And then I can hold the two nuts just like that. Then I can take the Phillips head screwdriver that came in the robotic kit itself. You have a larger slotted screwdriver, longer one, that's got also has kind of a green handle. And I'm just gonna twist this and tighten up these two screws, and there we go. So you have to do this 4 times, and then you'll be ready for the next part.